Okay, so today we're going to do the rest of the Magritte cutting, and then we're going to glue on to give that really neat illusion. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your tracer and you're going to place it somewhere on your paper, probably more in the center. And when we trace something, you want to hold it in the middle. And you can always hold your fingers, but the goal is you don't lift it up. So you're going to trace, around your bird. Okay. Trace around it. And before you lift it up, you want to peek. Did you get all the lines? Yes. And you peek again. Did you get it all? Perfect. And you take it off. So what I want you to do is you're going to also do that on the dark side too. Make sure that your bird that you're cutting is the same direction for the bottom one as well. And do that now. When you're done, put your tracing templates back as well as your pencil because you don't need it anymore. And what you're going to need to grab is a pair of scissors. What we're going to do now is we're going to do what I call my secret type of cutting. So what you're going to do is you're going to just gently kind of fold and pinch your paper in the middle of your bird. And what you do is you do a tiny little cut. And now in your paper you have a little cut. So what you're going to do is cut out the shape of your bird. Okay, and you're going to cut your whole bird out. And you're going to do that for both of them. Alright, so now you are left with, you have a day bird and a night bird. And what we're going to do next is we are going to glue down these two birds and then flip-flop them. But you're also going to need a new piece of paper for the back, which I will show you in a second. Okay, so using our glue stick, what you're going to do is you're going to take your glue stick, open it up a little bit, and the first thing we're going to put down is our paper. So you don't want to use a lot of glue, you just do a line on the edges here. Okay, we're only using a little bit, and then you flip your paper over and you try your best to get it to match and kind of squish it on there. If you need to move it a little, you can, which is nice. And now your paper is on here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the night bird and you're going to put your glue stick just quickly on your night bird like this, and then you are going to place it as best as you can inside the daybird spot, and you're going to hold it down until it sticks. And don't worry if it's not perfect, that gives part of that illusion. The next one you're going to do is your daybird in the night one. So you're going to just nicely put a little bit of glue on it, and then just like we did, gonna stick it right in the nighttime spot. Perfect. So there is our Magritte. Don't forget when you're done that you close your glue stick and put the cap on nice and tight for the next person and put it right back in your tray.